When you first get into Dittofi, you land on this workspaces page. I'm going to navigate you around this page so that you know where to find everything, what everything does before you start building so you're never lost. On this workspaces page, there is a top menu bar where you can access templates. Templates being those applications that are already pre-built that you can install, customize, and start building pretty fast. On the far right-hand corner, you have this help icon that when you click it, you have a list of educational resources that when you go to, you find all the documentation that we have. You can find all the video tutorials that we have on our YouTube channel and so on and so forth. And also you can see how you can hire specialists. Go take a bootcamp if you are the type of learner that wants to be guided. You can learn more about our plans and pricing. Similarly, you have the same options right here to click and go learn about how you can join a bootcamp or hire a specialist. These are going to take you to pages that will give you all the different options that you have for our bootcamps. Same thing, you can go and learn about which specialists you can work with to build your application if you don't want to build it by yourself. On this icon right here, you are able to change your account settings, things like your password, your billing, and so on and so forth. You can also log out. At the bottom here, what you have is workspaces. You can add multiple workspaces. And I want you to think about a workspace as a folder in which you can put multiple applications. Right here is where you now have workspace related settings. You can add multiple apps in this workspace. You can share a workspace with your team so you can collaborate. And down here as well, you can see all those learning resources. And at the very bottom here is where you can see this little chat bot that you can ask for help, and somebody on our team is going to reach out to you. Next, when I come back, I will jump into more workspaces. We will add an app into a workspace. We will learn how to customize a workspace in the workspace settings, and we will learn about how to share your workspace, how to give different permissions to different people to allow them to do different things with your workspace.